Alpha as a company has been working with Lucid for about 4 years, which is almost as long as the company has existed. Lucid is far and away the easiest to use and the fastest way for us to buy sample and get the insights that our customers are looking for. The vast majority of the sample that we're buying is through Lucid. At Alpha, one of our big value propositions is speed to insight, and I can't imagine being able to work outside of a marketplace and get the speed to insight that we're trying to get to. We have customers that span the gamut across the board, so we're always looking at different audiences, and that access from both a speed perspective and then just casting that wide net to reach all of these priority audiences at speed and scale is amazing. And that honestly kind of drives our business. We buy sample almost exclusively programmatically, so there's not a lot of hands-on stuff that's happening. If Lucid didn't exist, then my job would be a lot more about clicking buttons, and I'm happy that I can think at a more strategic level. That is amazing. I'm really happy that I don't have to be click balancing studies all the time. That would kind of suck. I don't want that to be my job, so it's helpful from that perspective. I think when you take a step back and you're like, oh my God, the level of data and insight that we have literally at our fingertips as a result of this partnership is pretty amazing. The idea that I can take it for granted that this integration with Lucid just works and we just get data from hundreds of thousands of people around the world on a yearly basis is kind of amazing too.